Many people wonder how to apply for Supplemental Security Income. This tutorial guides you through the application process for SSI, ensuring you understand each step. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to apply confidently. To start, gather the necessary tools. Ensure you have the following information ready: RDP and SOX 5 details, date of birth as shown on your SSN card, social security number, complete address on your SSN, full name on your SSN card, client number for the code, a separate email using the SSN details. Proton mail is recommended. Verified i.me account or follow the steps to create one. Next, we will go through the application steps. 1. Set your IP address to drop and paste this link in your browser: https://www.ssa.gov/. 2. Click on Apply for Benefits. 3. Select an adult age 18 and over. 4. Choose the benefit type: retired, disabled, veteran, or military. 5. If disabled, select Supplemental Security Income for disability. For other cases, select Supplemental Security Income for age 65 plus. 6. Scroll down and click on Start Application. 7. Agree to the terms and conditions, then click Next. 8. Click on Start a new application. 9. If your address is not military, choose No. 10. If no identity requirements are asked, enter your details. 11. If you have ID.me, sign in with your credentials. 12. If not, create a login.gov account by clicking the relevant link. 13. Choose Create an account and enter your dedicated email. 14. Create a strong password and continue. 15. Select either text or voice message for authentication. 16. Enter a valid USA phone number for verification. Finally, download any remaining documents you need from the provided link. To conclude, if you have an ID.me account, there's no need to create a login.gov account. Both can be used interchangeably for applications. Make sure to apply what you've learned in this tutorial. Good luck with your SSI application.